Okay, example 2. It says the sales tax of a certain city is 8.5%. Joseph buys a treadmill for $675. How much does he pay in taxes? Okay. Well, I want to take this entire word problem and try to boil it down to just one question, the question of what they're asking me. And what they're asking is, what is 8.5% of $675? Now I could put that easily into my proportions. In fact, I'm not going to do it, but I'll set it up. So we would know that what is, so it goes in the is spot, 8.5% of 675. Remember, it's always is over of, and then we get percent over 100. It's always that. So that's easy. But we're working today with the percent equation, so I want to translate this into a mathematical statement, and it says what is, so I'm going to definitely let that be my variable. Is always means equal. Remember, I can't write a percent in my statement, so I have to write it as a decimal, and it moves 2 places, not 1. So it's 0.085. Okay? Of means multiply 675. Okay? Now, I'm going to multiply 675 times 0.085. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 7 is 35, and 2 is 37. 5 times 6 is 30, and 3 is 33. Put a 0 for my placeholder. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 7 is 56, and 4 is 60. Put down the 0, carry my 6. 8 times 6 is 48, and 6 is 54. And then on the next line, I can put placeholders and write zeros, but nothing's going to change. Okay? 5, I'm going to add now. 5, 7, 3, 7, 5. And you can see that in my problem I had 3 numbers behind a decimal point, so that means I need 3 numbers behind the decimal point here. And I'm going to get that x is equal to 57.375. Okay, so 57.375 is 8.5% of $675. But since it's asking for dollars, I need to remember that dollars are always rounded to 2 places for pennies, for cents. So x is equal to $57.38. Since this number is 5 or greater, the number on the other side of the gate goes up by 1. All right? Good job, guys.